Hi guys, we are off on another trek, trek number 2, right after Machu Picchu. And this is Rainbow Mountain, and it's up, what did he say, 6,000 meters?
5,000.
But the highest point 6. It's supposed to be like 17,000 feet, so it's gonna be really difficult. I've got cocoa leaves in my mouth again, and we're also exhausted because we weren't exactly that responsible last night. I blame Morgan. But yeah, this is gonna be our hike for the next hour, hour and a half, 2 hours. Hopefully we don't die on the way up because we're stupid. Oh. Oh. Can I touch it? So far this trek is actually pretty easy. Probably because of the very difficult 5-day trek that we just did. I don't know, I'm kind of chilling. I'm liking this. Morgan, what is that?
Baño.
El baño. So this is the bathroom on the trek. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This is interesting. So fun fact, part of Rainbow Mountain 20 years ago, it hadn't been discovered, it wasn't visible, it was just covered by snow. But because of global warming and climate change, now it's uncovered and it's, you know, these beautiful different colors. That's why they call it Rainbow Mountain, and lots of minerals. You've got sulfur, iron, all different kinds. So that's what we're hiking to. Should be really beautiful when we get to the top. Hey Morgan.
Yeah.
What time did we go to bed last night?
I get a chance to travel the world.
It was like 12:40, and then what time did we wake up?
I woke up at 3.
Here's Poppy and Morgan. Look like they're struggling a little bit. Not sure why. Maybe a little late beer pong last night. Poppy, Morgan, say hi.
Guys, we made it to the top of Rainbow Mountain. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Hugo, tenemos una sorpresa para ti.
Ya, amigo, dime, ¿cuál?
Morgan.
Muchas gracias, me diga Morgan. Thank you so much.
We have to drink it together though.
Yeah.
Are you drunk
I
already?
can't do it.
Ah,
can't
no.
I can't do it.
Okay.
I'm so cold.
Well, I'm actually pretty shocked. That hike wasn't too bad. Maybe it's from all the other hiking that we've been doing. But yeah, it was definitely worth it. It's only about an hour and a half up, maybe 2 hours if you're a bit slower. And then you have this incredible view. It does get pretty cold up there, so shotgunning a beer was definitely helpful.
Obviously, here in the mountains we have animals, no, that hunt the llamas or the alpacas. So for that reason, they just keep them on those fences. Sometimes, if they have time, the kids generally, they go and they ship them. They go up to the mountains, taking the llamas, so they can spend hours, and then shipping, no? And then they bring them back to those places. The llamas are not for riding. 20 kilos on the llama, and llama will not move, will sit down. So it's a llama, a lazy animal, no? So official language in this area in the mountains is Quechua. 100% of population here, they speak Quechua. Spanish they learn in schools, okay? So if like some people in this place, if they don't speak Spanish, it's because they didn't go to school or because at their times there was no school close by. Desde el fondo de mi corazón, hasta luego. Cuídense. Abrazos, abrazos y besos.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you are new, think about subscribing. If you want to see some cool photos, you can also check out my Instagram. I'll put it right here. And I'll see you next time, probably someplace warmer. Okay, bye. Guys, please don't forget to comment and let me know what you think of the editing style, if it seems different or it's the exact same. Again, I edited it on my iPhone with the new app Adobe Rush that was recently launched, and I'm kind of getting a feel for it, seeing if it's good. It is nice that as a traveler, I don't have to always have my computer and I can edit things on my phone on the go. Like I could literally be walking outside and editing a video, but I just want to make sure that the quality is still there. So I'm curious for your feedback. Also, huge thank you to the YouTube channel 7 Cinematics. I discovered them when I was looking up things about Machu Picchu, and they have amazing drone footage of Rainbow Mountain that they let me use in this video to demonstrate what it looks like. And their channel is basically devoted to amazing cinematics, drone footage, time lapses, and beautiful shots from around the world. So I recommend checking out their channel because it's really good, and they even have a video of the Salcantay trek that I did. Really shows the scenery a lot better than I did myself, and I just thought it was a really cool video if you are interested in doing the Salcantay trek. Okay, see you next time. Bye!